Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Trello and GitHub. So the use case here is, whenever a new card is created in Trello, automatically create issue in GitHub. Now let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Trello helps you to organize your projects into different boards, whereas GitHub is a code hosting platform where people can come together and work into projects. The issue here is that Trello and GitHub don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an integration software which will help you to transfer data from Trello to GitHub. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here I am at Google and now I will go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly and now I'm going to hover over this product section and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now I'm going to sign in. Okay, so now because I've already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. Pabbly Connect offers a free plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. You just have to clone the template of the workflow. The link for the same is available in the description below the video. Once you clone the template, you will immediately get access to this workflow in your account. Okay, so now I am going to scroll down and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and you can see so many workflows that have already been created over here. So now I'm going to create a new workflow and I'm going to click on this button over here. So now it is time to give a name to this workflow and I'm going to give a name as Trello to GitHub. Create. Okay, so now here in Choose App first, I am going to choose Trello. Okay, now in Trigger Event according to our workflow, whenever a new card is created in Trello, we want to create an issue in GitHub. That is why new card here will be our trigger event. You can see we have 3 other options available. You can select whichever option you want according to your workflow. And if you don't get the trigger event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. Now I am going to click on Connect with Trello. Create new or select existing credentials. So here you have 2 options. Either you can create new credential and put all these details, or you can just select any existing credential. So here I'll let it be new credentials and I'll show you how to get these 3 fields values. So first is username. So I've already logged into my Trello account and here when you go to your account settings, you can see profile and visibility. So when you come down here, you can see the username. So I'll just copy the username from here. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll paste it. Okay, now API key and token. You can find the about details by login to your Trello account. After login, you can get the API key and generate a token from here. So there's a link over here. I'll just open it. Okay, so you can see the API keys over here. I'll just copy it from here. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll paste it. Okay, so in order to get your token, you can see we again have a link. I'll just open it. Okay, we'll just go down. Allow. Okay, so we have our token over here. I'll again copy it. Go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll paste it. So now this username, API key and token are going to help us to build a connection between Trello and Pabbly Connect. So now whenever there is any activity in Trello, Pabbly Connect can easily capture the data. I'm going to click on Save. So now here you can see we have some fields, board. So there are many boards already created in my Trello account. You can see I have all these boards already created over here. If you want, you can also create a new board. So here you can see I have a board called Trello to GitHub. So I'll open it and you can see I have already made so many cards over here. If you want, you can just delete them, or if you want, you can also create a new list. So I'll just add a new list over here. Issues. Okay. So now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and here in board, I am going to choose Trello to GitHub. That is this one. If you want, you can also create a new board and then you can refresh it and you can select it from the options. Now list. Now here you can see under Trello to GitHub, I have these two lists over here. New issue occurred and issues. Now I want my card to be created in issues. That is why I am going to go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll select issues. Okay. Now here you can see we have the webhook URL over here. But here actually we are not going to use the webhook URL because when we entered the API key and token, we already built a connection between Pabbly Connect and Trello. That is why here I am not going to use webhook URL. So now I'm going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so this API response is about our last card that we made. So now what I'm going to do is we need fresh information. That is why I am going to click on capture webhook response. So now it is waiting for webhook response. That means now we are going to go to our Trello account and in our board Trello to GitHub, in our list issues, I am going to create a new card and then we'll see if Pabbly Connect captures the information or not. So I'll go to my Trello account and this is our board, that is Trello to GitHub. This is our list, that is issues, and I'm going to add a card. New issue with integration of Trello and GitHub. Add card. Okay, so we have added a card over here. Now we'll go back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can see Pabbly Connect has already captured the data. You can see, okay, board name is Trello to GitHub. You can see list name is issues. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to just save it. Okay, so here we have successfully finished our first step integration, that is integration of Trello and Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to begin with our second step integration where we are going to integrate GitHub and Pabbly Connect. So now here in choose app, I am going to choose GitHub. Okay, now in action event according to our workflow, whenever a new card is created in Trello, we want to create an issue here in GitHub. That is why create an issue will be our action event over here. Now you can see we have various other action events available. You can select whichever action event you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the action event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. Now I am going to click on connect with GitHub. Okay, again, create new or select existing credentials. Either you can create a new credential or you can just select any existing credential. I am going to let it be new credentials, connect. I'm just going to authorize. You don't have to worry about your data. Everything is 100% safe and secure with Pabbly Connect. I'll just put my credentials here. Okay, authorization is successful. So now here we have some fields and we have to fill the information according to our webhook response. So now first is owner. So if you go back to my GitHub account, you can see the owner is Pabbly. That is why I'll let it be Pabbly itself. Now repo. Now this is the repository. So if I go to my GitHub account, you can see I have so many repositories already created. Now you can select any repository. Here I am going to let it be Pabbly first repository, that is this one, and I want to create an issue inside this repository. So I'll let it be this one. If you want, you can select the other repository as well. So now here in label, you can give any one of this label to your issue. Bug, documentation, duplicate, enhancement, good first issue. It will be displayed like this in front of your issue. Like if it is bug, here you can see bug. If you give any other label, then it will be displayed over here. So I'll let it be bug over here. So now title of the issue, I'm going to put our board name over here. Let us search for our board name, that is here. Okay. And now in body, I'm going to add our card's name. So our card's name was new issue in integration of Trello and GitHub. Okay. Assignee. So here you can see I only have one option, that is Pabbly. So I'll let it be. Save and send test request. Okay. So we have our API response. That means we have successfully finished our integration of Trello and GitHub over here. Now let's go to GitHub and check if a new issue is created there or not. So I'll go to GitHub. I'll just go to issues. Okay, so you can see we have an issue over here. I'm just going to click on it. Okay, so the board name was Trello to GitHub. That is what we have mapped. That is why it is here. You can see new issue in integration of Trello and GitHub. And you can see there is a label that is bug. So we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. Now I'm going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So I'll go back to my Trello account and I'm going to add another card. Issue with sign up. Add card. Okay, so I've added a new card called issue with sign up. It is under the list issues and the board name is Trello to GitHub. So now I'll go back to my GitHub. I'm going to go back to issues. Okay, so you can see we have one more issue over here, Trello to GitHub. You can see issue with sign up. That was our card name and you can see the label is bug. So we have successfully finished our integration. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to explain you what has happened in our example. Okay, so in our example, what has happened is first the information came from Trello to Pabbly Connect. Then from Pabbly Connect, the information went to GitHub. So now every time a new card is created in Trello, an issue will be created in GitHub automatically. So we have successfully finished the integration of Trello and GitHub using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.